knowing too much about yourself. But you should have told me that you were thinking about someone else. You're drunk at a party, or maybe it's just that your car broke down. Or your phone's been out for a couple months, so you're calling me now. I know you like this. When shit don't go your way, you needed me to fix it. And like me, I did. But I've been out of every reason. Now suddenly you're asking for it back. Could you tell me where'd you get the nerve? Yeah, you could say you miss all that we had, but I don't really care how bad it hurts when you broke me first. You broke me first. Took a while, was in and out when I first.
Hello, 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 Noodle and Zulric. Howdy, howdy, how's it going today? Alright, I'm just making sure the last of this setup is all good for today. Just the final... I've done my testing on the side, but I haven't tested it live, so it's kind of crazy. But how are y'all doing today? Welcome, welcome, welcome. What are you guys up to? Oh my gosh, this prep for this stream was not meant to be this long, but I wanted to add some small things, and then it just expanded to be, oh, well, I guess I've added like a bajillion million things, and here we are. Hi, Volpe, just checking in briefly, but going to bed soonish. No worries, Helix. Stay safe and enjoy yourself. I'll see you around sometime soon, alright? Hang in there, bozo. Something special? You know it, Justin. You know it. But, Justin, how have you been doing? There we go. I've been great. That's actually insane to hear. Like, so insane that, like, I couldn't possibly believe that you're actually doing well. You're probably lying, to be fair. Yeah, I'm assuming you're lying, you know, it's fine. But yeah, good things, finally things. I'm ready for the con. Yes, also starting a fitness challenge tomorrow. We find ways to do well. For real, what's the fitness challenge, though? Trial by fire always, yet dancing through the bullets. Oh my god, I love dancing through the bullets. It's so silly. It's so fun. It's so relaxing. Yeah. Something held in the art squad. Really? My gosh. Well, welcome, welcome, everyone. How are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are hanging in there, enjoying yourselves, and overall having a chill day, you know? Sickle, Will, and Puffin are holding various challenges all through May. And the first one's food related, so I have to behave. Oh my god, what's the food challenge? Favorite Canadian? Oh no, you're not the only Canadian I know. Oh really, Samune? There's no way. There's so few Canadians. Like, surely I'm the only one, you know? Have a good chill day at work? Fuck yes. I have the chill days, like, not like chill as in, oh gosh, you know, there's nothing to do, but chill as in, you know, it's manageable and I'm comfortable being here, you know? Yo, Myth, thank you so much for the raid tonight. I really, really appreciate you for running everything. I felt so dumb at the beginning, but then I realized, oh wait, I can only use my defensive so much, and it wasn't my fault at a certain point. It was unfortunate that things happened, but you know, it's whatever. But Myth, I hope you're having a good evening. Thank you again. I really, really appreciate it. Myth just got us AOTC, and I'm really, really happy. And like, yeah, Myth, I decided like later on to just, you know, funnel the boss no matter what, even if there's worse targets that are absolutely like do need to go down. I'm just decide, you know what? Yeah, I just do all my single target damage anyways, so like it's whatever. We just kill it. And yeah, no, it was kind of vibes. Volpi, je t'aime. Je t'aime aussi, Tio. Comment vas-tu aujourd'hui? As long as the ads die, it's good. Exactly. Exactly. And the ads were dying, so I decided, you know what? Fuck the ads. I'll just put my dots on them with Shadow Crash and just leave it to be. Oh my god. DLC merci. Oh my gosh. I am out here today about to do something. I don't speak baguette. Je parle le français québécois. Il n'est pas. Je sais pas le mot baguette. That's crazy. You're fucking insane, Sammy. But you know, it happens. It happens. It's fine. I only speak wolf. Okay, Koki. Okay. You go and speak wolf. Go. That's dog. Fuck. I don't even know what wolf is. Honestly, it's some combination of howls and like silence and smoldering looks. It happens. Justin, could you give Koki a shout out for me and also Myth a shout out for me? Koki told me that they don't want shout outs, and I'm gonna give them a shout out anyways because I fucking hate Koki, respectfully, of course. You forgot the barking? Yeah, I guess that's fair, honestly. Oh, there we go. Excellent. So here we are on the Nintendo Switch. I haven't touched this thing for like quite a few months, honestly. I don't speak bitch, so I can't hear a single word you're saying. Oh my god. Also, Rusty, hello. Can we get a shout for Rusty as well? Oh my gosh, I only speak taco or gun language. Oh yeah, true. You know, I took a little bit of American in high school, but I couldn't get through the more advanced topics like getting mad at people for no reason because they're just so silly. Hey Volpi, hi Sabine. Oh my god, Sabine, I'm so sorry you've had to deal with road rage today. Oh my gosh. Phoenix, Volpi. Phoenix. How are you doing today? Welcome. How have you been doing? So I decided, you know, I'm gonna test out using my capture card again. Now that I've got like a bit of a more organized setup for it from back when we were doing Bloodborne. I just want to see if this works. I need a system update. Oh my god. All right, it's fine. This is fine. This is understandable. I still understand American. I live here. Oh my god. The system will restart momentarily. I love it. Rusty's a mad lad. That's so true. Oh my god. But yeah, how's the Volpe? I think I'm doing pretty fine. Just kind of I'm relaxing, if anything, honestly. It's definitely a bit of an intense 3 hours from doing raid night earlier, but that's most of what I've done today, apart from Factorio. Oh my god, I want to show you guys my Factorio world. All right, actually, before I do this, I want to show you guys my Factorio world. Because I'm trilingular, me trolling people, thinking I'm a foreigner. Oh my god, I absolutely hate you. Oh my god, I want to show you guys my Factorio world. I've been playing so much Factorio today, and I'm happy. And you're replaying Breath of the Wild too? I want to actually like finish Tears, but I haven't touched Tears since it came out. And I have a feeling that's like 3 years ago or something, or 2 years ago, or even last year. I don't even know. It's a while ago, right? So yeah, I think it's probably a good opportunity to just pull it up. Yeah, there's like a few things I want to try doing with streaming in the near future. One of them is this, you know, making sure I'm using my capture card. But another thing I want to do is pull up my blue screen and see if I can, you know, get some IRL Volpe stream at some point. Not sure yet, but we'll get there eventually. is cardiac arrest. I found German bakery and the bread was so good. Let's go. I love German bread cookie. It's so fun. Would love that. Fuck yes, Justin. Fuck yes. All right, let me quickly show you guys my Factorio because I love Factorio. Let me just make sure this is properly the right tracks. All right, guys, if I move my sorry, okay, here. Let me just show you this real quick, okay? Because like, oh my god, I love my Factorio world. Oh my gosh, look at this. My robots are starting to automatically like manufacture my accumulator solar structures. Over here, I've got everything running through trains. I'm making some electrical engines over here. Look at all of my blue science production stuff. And then over here's my blue science factory. It's just, there's so much stuff going on. I'm so happy. I love my Factorio world. And all of my ores are getting processed. I'm upgrading this to electric at some point soon and with productivity upgrades, but I need more electricity for that. And plus I can do it with robots now, so I don't need to worry. And then over here, I've got all of my chemical plants that are backed up and everything. I'm so happy. I love Factorio. Yeah. Sorry, I wanted to show that Factorio world. Trains. I know, right? I love trains. I'm Rambly the raccoon, actually. All right, guys. I need you guys to let me know if I go here. Does it play Chemical Plant OC from Sonic 2? I don't think so. Can you guys hear? Can you hear the clicking? And is it echoing? I'll be teaching you how capitalism works. Be like, oh my god. You guys hear like the small like clicks are clicking? Or they're echoing? I can hear the click. Okay, is it echoing? I'm so happy. I'm so happy. So playing, chilling, playing Elden Ring, catching up finally. Oh my god. About damn time, honestly, Sabine. Now that I can hear, hell yes. Okay. Because the ability for you to hear it is one important thing, right? But also, the fact that it's not echoing means I also deleted the other source that I was using alternatively to this. So I think we're good. This is so fun. Yoshinaga, how are you doing today? Let me get this music off now so I can actually listen to this amazing Breath of the Wild. Definitely hear the clicking. Not sure if there's an echo or if that's just how it sounds. So the vibe of it is if there was an echo, I would still be using the video source audio, which isn't what I want. So that's where we're at. Probably.
Open your eyes. Open your eyes.
Okay. I need worse noise suppression, I think. Because what's currently being used for noise suppression is too good. Which is fucked up. There we go. Excellent. Also, my redeems are not working. I'll fix that. Let me fix this. Let me just go and fix this real quick. Sorry guys. I apologize. It's the monthly thing, you know? It's monthly dues. Here, let me swap inputs here. Oh my gosh, my arm is actually like injured when I'm reaching. All right, give me 1 second, guys. Just go here. Right. And then this. All right, there we go. And close that. There we go. Brilliant. Beautiful. Perfect. Fan-fucking-tastic. This is Legend of Zelda's games and demos. That's my favorite. I know, right? Look at this, Sochi. How do I, like, buttons? Okay, B is run, X is jump, and Y is equip sword. Okay. And I have no delay. This is beautiful. I had delay before, like, way back. So it's a bit of a challenge, you know?
Is a Sheikah slate. Take it. It will help guide you after your long slumber.
I will take the Sheikah Slate. Oh my gosh. I want to be using the in-game music, but I don't think there's any music yet. I think the music starts when you exit the cave, right? I have Nintendo controls sometimes backwards. Wait, I hate Nintendo controls sometimes backwards? Oh, how so? What is it like sometimes? Let me just make sure my audio is on. Okay, I don't think there's any option to change the amount of audio you have. So that's probably fine. I do have some amiibos that are like used with this game, but I do not remember. To me, that's goofy. What should jump be like? I'm thinking about Elden Ring, and jump should be like where the B button is, right?
Hold the Sheikah slate up to the pedestal.
And then Y
will
should be
show you the
dash.
way.
Or something. Wait, A should be dash. Wait. Yeah. That sounds about right, honestly, to me. I just want to listen to the music in this game, but there's no music yet. It's too beautiful a game. Authenticating. Sheikah Slate confirmed. A should be jump and X should be action control. Oh, got it. A jump. So like Mario or something. Something like that. Alright. Well, I'm not gonna wear any of the clothes they just gave me because those are cringe and clothes are cringe and
shine upon Hyrule once again.
I'm cooler than clothes, alright.
Now go.
Except Koki just put some clothes on me, so I don't even know how that's supposed to go, you know? Take him off. Yep, exactly. It's for you, Sochi. Everyone's a hypocrite, honestly. There we go. Now we can have our music. How's the audio level? Is it okay? Because it's good on my side. I'm not sure if it's good on your side. Wasn't there people without whimsy and joy? Exactly! Oh my god, I love being whimsical and wearing no clothes. I'll get on volume here. Oh, I'm so happy. I think the main reason I wanted to play this is because I was listening to the music from Fox Scott playing it, and it made me want to listen to the music in my stream afterwards, and I just need this music, you know? Like, no, it might be echoing something sounds off to me. Oh, okay. Wait. What can I do? It do be echoing. Okay, so it is echoing. Okay, wait. Let me fix this. Because I know how to fix this. Or do I? Yes, I do. All right. How is this? Is this okay? Okay. Okay, perfect. There we go. Excellent. But I think like the vibe of like playing through this game is that it's so relaxing. I love like the natural sounds that come through it. Unfortunately, I don't like how getting the Master Sword requires HP in this game. Because my desire for this game is to explore, and I don't know, exploring is just so
Head for the point
not
marked on the
sound
map in your
coded,
Sheikah
you know?
slate.
Yeah. You want that stick, Faulty? Okay, you can have it when I'm done with it, okay? This is my stick, okay? I'm gonna use it as a toy, okay? I'm gonna use it as a toy gun. Or a staff. There's so much stuff you can do with a really good stick, honestly. Like, obviously, you know, fetching is like a thing that you can do, but yeah. But I want it now. Oh my god. I beg your pardon? I do believe that is my baked apple. You can't just go around taking whatever you please. Oh, forgive me. I could not resist pulling your leg. Please, help yourself. An apple and an open flame make for a succulent treat. Girl, it happens. These strains start to see another soul in these parts. Bye. Wait! Where are you rushing off to now? Speaking such a strange old man, truly an awful use of your time, yes. I hope you'll permit me one question. If I'm so bold, are you not chilly? Where are we? Answering a question with a question. That's fair enough. As I cannot imagine our meeting is... Is he making fun of me for being naked? Okay, come on, listen, alright? Listen, I'm taking off my shirt right now, okay? 1 second. I need to cosplay. Sorry, guys. I'm cosplaying Link. There we go. Now I can feel how Link feels being ridiculed by an old man with a shirt off. Always naked, knowing nothing. Nothing new. Oh my god, good idea. Maybe I should get naked too. It's on my room. It's a little bit chilly here, actually, but you know, I'm cosplaying Link, and Link's a bit chilly. I'm not. Ever since the decline of the kingdom over 100 years ago, it has sat abandoned in a state of decay. Yet another forgotten entity, a mere ghost of its former self. Cool. This is my stick, or this is my torch, actually. Sorry. Well then, just help yourself to that torch there, and how may I ask, are you planning to use it? It's a secret. Ah, I see. Well then, do as you please. There are plenty of monsters ahead of you, though. Remember, you can use it as a weapon if need be. However, do not just swing it around without purpose. You must face your opponents and lock your sights on them. Lock on, effective for targeting. Imagine locking on. That's so souls coded. I want to get some chilies real quick. Because I do remember that there's like chilies up here at this There we go. Here are the peppers. Yeah, these guys, they don't seem like they pose much of a challenge, but, you know, looks can be deceiving. It can also sound deceiving as well, but yeah. Is the old man in the room with us right now? Wait. How do I whistle again? Don't think I can do that yet. It's disappointing. Wait, I can, surely, right? How the fuck do I whistle? Because I do remember that whistling is like a gamer mechanic. Is it like up arrow or something? Like... There we go. Got it. Okay, I do not remember what I'm supposed to do, but I think it's over here. There we go. It's so sad. I feel like the music should be playing more, but like, I guess it's not, and that's disappointing. We'll just like have this on until like we actually get some music. Because I don't know, like I need my Legend of Zelda music, but it's not playing right now, and it's so sad. Yeah, it's fair. Everyone's favorite Hyrule band, the Chainsmokers. Listen, okay? That's it. It's perfect. It's perfect Chainsmokers time, alright? Sheikah Tower activated. Please watch for falling rocks. So how long was it since Link fell asleep in this one again? Is that like 100 years or something? I literally cannot remember. 6, 9, 12, 10 trillion years? Okay, yes, 100 years. All right, perfect. Excellent. There we go. Distilling local information. 5 days? Oh, okay, 5 days. That's not too bad. I'm a Zelda nerd, so I know a lot of useless facts. That was a pretty useful fact, because I wasn't sure. I couldn't remember. So, it's very relevant, Phoenix. Thank you so much. Very fantastic. Oh, da-da-da-dum. Okay, so I just need to get all of the different sites or whatever, like the different shrines. I need to get 4 of them. One's on the mountain, I know. There's one in the forest. There's one in the plains, and then there's one in the ruins.
Try to remember.
I forgot to get a pot lid, by the way.
Been asleep for the past 100
This is so
years.
disappointing.
The beast. When the beast regains its true power, this world will face its end.
Wait, so Link waking up is what awoke Ganon? Why didn't we just leave Link asleep for... Wait, what? Wait, I'm not sure. Was it supposed to be like 100 years he's sealed, and that's why we kept Link asleep for 100 years so he'd wake up at the same time? Like Link was after the fact?
Before it's too late.
This... I don't know. This seems a little aggressive. I don't know. Hmm. I am a little bit disappointed that you don't start off with the, what's it called, glider at the beginning. But you know, I mean, like that's a like mechanic that like, oh yeah, this is why you're at the beginning. Like fuck you for having that shit, bro. Better than a night. We're not listening to Shawn Mendes. You know what we're gonna listen to? We're gonna listen to something better, okay? Okay, I literally do not know where my... There it is, okay. Let me get some music on, alright? Because we need to fit the genre of Zelda, you know? Was this scuffed? And I... Wait. Posted that paw pic to Twitter. The post is scuffed and I made a typo in the post, but it's in fact a paw pic. 1 second. I literally just searched up Duganite, and I forgot that if I search up Duganite, it comes up as Dragonite. Dude, that's fucked up. Da, 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 da. I don't know, it has 20 likes. I think it's a paw post if it has 20 likes. That's probably fine. You probably did it right, Duganite. Gideon decimated 2 hits. Good. He fucking deserves it, honestly. Oh, you're really close.
My. It would seem we have quite the enigma here. This tower and others just like it have erupted across the land, one after another. It is almost as though a long dormant power has awoken quite suddenly. If you do not mind me asking, did anything odd occur when you were atop that tower?
Nope.
You need not conceal the truth from me. Truth be told, I saw the whole thing unfold from afar. Although I could not hear anything, I did see you react as if you had heard something coming from the direction of the castle.
Still have DLC for no, not really? Oh, that's fair then.
Hit the nail on the head, did I?
And did you happen to recognize this mysterious voice?
It seems I have some work to do as far as earning your trust goes. I suppose that is understandable. I assume you caught sight of that atrocity enshrouding the castle.
Yeah.
That is Calamity Ganon. 100 years ago, that vile entity brought the kingdom of Hyrule to ruin. It appeared suddenly and destroyed everything in its path. So many innocent lives were lost in its wake. For a century, the very symbol of our kingdom, Hyrule Castle, has managed to contain that evil, but just barely. There it festers, building its strength for the moment it will unleash its blight upon the land once more. It would appear that moment is fast approaching. I must ask you, courageous one, do you intend to make your way to the castle? You need not say a word, your eyes reveal the determination within. What are you talking about my eyes? Does it look the glistle in my eyes? Oh my god, that's serving Goblet of Fire, honestly. Here on this isolated plateau, we are surrounded on all sides by a steep cliff with no way down. If you were to try to jump off, well, no death would seem more certain or foolish. Of course, if you had a paraglider like mine, that would be quite another story. Hand it over. Oh, certainly. Why not? But there is no such thing as a free item in this world, you know. Yo, Duganite, give me your lunch money right now. Give me your fucking lunch money. Let's see now. Need to clock into work? See you Savvy the sick and don't give it a talk? Oh yeah, no worries, Koki. I will promise you that actually. I have $0. Well, Duganite, you're gonna have to pay me lunch money in some other way, surely. Let's see now. How about I trade it for a bit of treasure that slumbers nearby? Come, let me show you something. That, my friend, is a shrine. Shrines are cool and places where you can get abilities and stuff. Do you see that structure over there, the one with the strange light? Again, glowing the same moment the towers rose up from the ground. You're a sick and twisted individual. Induvial. Yeah, I'm a bit of an Induvial, honestly, Duganite. Listen, those who are Induvials have a duty to their people to be sick, twisted beings that will warp the world in their favor. I would not think such a place might house some sort of treasure, wouldn't you? Treasure for the paraglider. A fair exchange, I believe. Okay. Goodbye. I have some of the milk. I forgot to buy more today, so I have none for my coffee tomorrow. No! Minor typo, ending it all. Well, Duganite, that was your skill issue, honestly. That was your fault. You had it come to this. Since you're listening to one of the YouTube Zelda bits I do, it's so worth, honestly. It's so mellow. Oh wow, fancy seeing you here, sir. Aren't you a bit chilly? Oh, you know me. I'm just, you know. I guess I need to make actual meals. That's kind of fucked up, but you know, it's fine. Alright, let me go get this pot lid, because I was trying to get this earlier, and, you know, the fact of it existing over here without me having it is actually depressing. Excuse me? Did that guy fucking take my pot lid? Oh, fuck. That was Koki's tree branch. Fuck. Alright, guys, I'm gonna find a new tree branch, for Koki. Don't worry about it. Did I just break the pot lid? No, he just picked it up. Okay, cool.
Oh my god. This fucking bitch. Like, I just want his weapon, bro. I do not want this shield equipped. Okay, this is taking a bit for me to like relearn the mechanic. That's kind of fucked. I need to relearn these mechanics. I just have like a single one-on-one fight or something. Like I literally just want to like. Like, bro. Dude. Fuck off. What the hell is this guy doing? Like, he actually is bothering me so much. Like, bro. Like, bro, can I just, like, please? Thank you. Give me your fucking spear, bro, and I will beat you up with it, alright? There we go. Alright. That made use of a lot of my resources that I have available to me right now. I'll eat an apple and a mushroom. And I'm gonna get my potlet out. Okay, do I have my timing? I do not have the timing. It would appear that I don't have the timing. Maybe I should save a bit closer because that's probably smart. If I'm expecting to die at some point soon. It's kind of like a muscle memory thing, isn't it? Like, you kind of like get into the groove of the muscle memory of how to play the game well. And if you aren't able to have that muscle memory, then like you literally just lose. I swear I had that timing, and I don't know if I did or not.
Da 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 da.
Gotta practice this. So listen carefully. Right before the laser shoots, there's a beep. That's when you should parry. Yeah, but like, I understand it from like the. I go off of visuals because like I'm a visual player. Like sound cues are good and all, but like, if the visual like cue lines up with the audio cue, I'm always gonna use the visual cue because like I'm just cool like that. All right, let's do this. And it's surely not because my pot lid is too damaged, right? I got this. I got this, okay? Just give me a few tries, all right? I'm gonna do it successfully, all right? We're professionals, all right? And plus we got some chill music, you know? This is fine. This is vibes. See, we'll try and get ourselves like a spring for Koki or something. There we go. We'll get Koki a spring. Koki likes springs, right? Hello, Benny. How are you doing today? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Dummy. Are you excited for your convention coming up soon? That's Naga. I thought that was... I literally thought that was Benny. I'm actually so fucked up. My face when I read the same color as Benny and say, oh yeah, Naga's Benny, actually. Naga's also going to the con, so that's fine. Naga, are you excited for the con? I'm literally dumbass. I'm so sorry. Get absolutely fucked, Naga. Naga, how are you, by the way? How's your time been? Oh my god. I gotta hang out with Naga. Honestly, I gotta hang out with Naga. Oh my god. Yes, I'm excited for the con. Let's go, Naga. Oh my gosh. Hell yes. Fucking Solacer. Alright, let's keep going. Oh, is this the boba trial? Okay, I got this. She gets like authenticated. Distilling rune. Distilling rune? Wait, this is a distillation? Oh my god. Hope your night's going well, Naga. It's going so well. I'm just here chilling, listening to Legend of Zelda music while playing Legend of Zelda. It's honestly really relaxing. I do gotta say, Static did it better, honestly. If Sochi's still here and they can agree with me, Static definitely did it better. Lakota, hello. Howdy do, Lakota. Head pats? Oh my god, and hydration. Oh, fuck, do I have something to drink? Surely I do, right? Let me look around. Oh, I do, excellent. Around these parts, we try and stay hydrated together. It's just important that you guys stay as happy and healthy as myself. I got some water here today, but I'm always curious what you guys might be drinking. So feel free to join along and let me know. I'm finished racing for the day. You were racing? Oh my god. Got good Wawa? Ooh. I'm a Wawa appreciator as well, okay? Alright. Well, now I've got a Traveler's Claymore. I do not want to hold this all the time. In fact, I don't want anything on. Yeah, I'm one of those fucking weirdos, honestly. Alright. I guess I probably could have just, like, you know, jumped over and then just tossed it and exploded it in midair, but I'm not sick like that. I'm actually so stupid. I'm so cringe. I'm not real. I'm not even real. Okay, well, let me get my ball out. There we go. This ball is gonna shoot over. What's up with this ball over here? Like, what's going on over here? Is this just showing me how balls work? Amber, okay. Wait, who have I been talking to then? Wait, why did I ask you if you're not real? I'm not real, surely. I swear. Oh wait, when it explodes, you like pull your slate out at it. Oh my god, as a detonator. That's so cool. I just want to listen to like the Hateno village music or something. You proved to possess the resolve of a true hero. Yeah, I am a true hero, honestly. The more that the goddess doesn't trust me, the more I want to burn down this entire world to the ground. Or something, you know. I couldn't be too like honest about what I want, but it would be pretty funny. Ho! Ho! It seems you managed to get your hands on a spirit orb. Paraglider, please. Slow down! The appearance of those towers are much like a shrine. It's all connected to that Sheikah slate. What's it do? Oh, I fucking said paraglider, please. I should have said paraglider. Paraglider, please. Ancient technology, interesting. Yeah, so on and so forth. Excuse me? The shrines are tucked away in numerous places. 3, paraglider. That wasn't the deal. Oh, I guess wait. I changed... Did he really just say, I altered the terms of our agreement. I do not alter them further. Or I changed the... Whatever the fucking Darth Vader quote is. Got it. Yeah, goodbye. Goodbye, sir. I literally do not care about sir. But Sabine, yeah, I'm not real because if I were real, which I'm not, I'd probably be enjoyable to talk to. And I swear at least half the people here can attest that I am not I'm not enjoyable to talk to. There's no reason to talk to me. The Melishroom. I shouldn't read it. Oh, and you can actually like destroy his pots, just like the regular Legend of Zelda stuff. All right, that's so fun. I'll grab the pitchfork as well. That pitchfork actually seems really powerful. Not gonna lie. I will need another pot lid, and I want your torch. And I'm 12.5 minutes of cold resistance. Like, that's good enough, right? Yeah, put the Melishroom here. Wait, I don't want the Melishroom. I want to hold this and hold this. There we go, and I'll cook this. Oh my god, Doc! Hello! I've been told not to give a stick to you. My dearest apologies, but, wait, no stick? Yeah, no stick, sorry. But don't cry, I'm sorry. Stick, it happens. Stick is for Koki, okay? You understand. Doc, a stick? Oh my god, no. You're not supposed to give stick to Doc. Doc will eat it. Hey, Korok Leaf. It's high in fiber is crazy. Right. Let me eat my meal. Yeah, my cold resistance. Okay, that was a bit early, but this is fine. This is fine. I'll find good use of my food, alright? I just need to find a way onto the mountain. And that shouldn't be too hard, right? Like... yeah, I can climb here. Can I, like, jump? Or is that too much? Oh my god, I forgot how, like, scary it is climbing up in Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild. Like, at least in Tears of the Kingdom, you are kind of more aware of what you're capable of. But Breath of the Wild, it's just like, oh gosh. I swear I'm gonna fall off every time. Like, did you see that? Did you see that? The dog's going to bed, though. Enjoy your evenings, y'all. Stay safe, dog. Enjoy yourself. I hope you have an amazing day. Or amazing night, I guess. It's probably more understandable. I'll see you go to bed. Good night, everyone. Stay safe and having a good night. Enjoy yourselves. Oh my lord. All these good beans heading to bed. I guess it is pretty late and it's a Sunday. Yeah, that's also pretty reasonable. Yeah, I'm just out here, you know, trying to get my woofs in before anything problematic happens. There we go. Might need to head to sleep too. No worries. You stay safe, Sabine, okay? It's completely fine if you head to bed, alright? I won't hate you at all. I forgot that there's a shrine here. Let me just quickly do the shrine. I think this is probably the stasis shrine. So this shouldn't be too bad to do, I think. Probably. Something like that. Oh, what damn shrine! Oh, what damn. Yeah. I'm an oh, a damn enjoyer. Yeah, I'm gonna be real, like, going back after the fact and seeing the different runes that you had in Tears of the Kingdom, I have no idea how we were able to even have fun with these runes. Like, not even be able to make your own machine that does random shit. Like, that's crazy. What? I was in the screen to like cease the movement of it. What? Bruh. Like, that's fucked up. I feel like that was not deserved. That feels super cringe. Like, I feel like I should have been able to continue, like, moving there. Or I should have been able to stop it or something. Beautiful. Now I can just head over here to the shrine. And 8 minutes of cold resistance left. Okay, yeah, this is easy. Simple, even. Ah. Spirit Orb, a symbol of courage given to those who mastered something. Mastered a shrine or something. I don't know, words are hard. A maid outfit? You know, it's great to mirror. Very mindful. Oh, I physically cannot eat more. Okay, that's fine. There we go. Such a tire would only be appropriate for an occasion such as this. Yeah, do you get an occasion such as this? What's that supposed to mean? What kind of occasion are we dealing with here? Also, isn't the old man the one who gives me like the warm clothes or something? I think that's probably right. You're hungry and don't want to cook? Oh, it happens. Lakota, what do you have available? Because, like, there are some things that are kind of mellow to cook that you don't even have to think about. Ah, get the camera. There's a cute box on my screen. That's so crazy. Eat dirt. Hey, Jugonite. Wow, that's crazy. That's crazy that you tell someone to eat dirt like that. I mean, like, it's... I'd say the same, but, like, wow. Really showing your true colors there, isn't it? Dirt's a good idea. Oh my god. Sorry, I'm shirtless in the snow. It's kind of cool like that, you know? Just feel different. I'm not like those other girls. I go out naked in the snow. Wait, was this the right? No, this is not the right way. There's probably a chest up here though, right? You'd have to assume that if I go to the highest peak, I'd find a... Oh, here's the old man. Sunrise. Ah, I enjoy gazing at breath. Yeah. Scope and pins. I got it. Oh, and there's the warm doublet. Okay, cool. I guess I'll put on a shirt. Snow or not, my skin is gonna feel that breeze. Oh my god. Are you okay today? Are you feeling okay today? Why do I have the dogs out? Like, that's fucked up. I'm just Dugan. You know what? It's kind of real of you, honestly, Duganite. Dugan is kind of real. These bokoblins are surely having a good time chasing me down. Except I'm actually at Cade Namut Shrine. Yeah, I'm actually, I'm cool like that, you know? In Namut. I think the one that you're supposed to get first is definitely Magnesis. But who cares about having Magnesis when you can literally be in the shrine up here? Ah. Cryota Shrine. I'm about to be all ice stuff, alright? Giga Slate authenticated. Distilling rune. Just fucking distill the rune already! Oh my god. Start of this game is like the slowest of any game. You're given so much freedom, then you have to stand here and look at a cutscene for like 10 minutes. Oh my god. Ba-ba-ba-bum. Rune egg extracted. Stay close enough that I can target you, bro. Okay, I got this. There we go. Excellent. Give me those springs and screws for Koki. Koki's a spring and screw enjoyer, I think. And And they're so real for that. It's so sad that you can't like overlap these. Because I wanted to just overlap this perfectly so I could just like get this item and not worry about things. My inventory's full. I fucking need 2 Korok leaves. How the fuck do I get rid of this? How do I get rid of this? Do I have to like actually go in here and just go here? And then find the Korok leaf and hit drop? That's fucked up. Should I air fry some buffalo chicken pizza roll? Ooh, it'll take a godly amount of effort. Wish me luck. Luck has been wished, honestly. Lakota, best of luck. You got this shit. Rebel Stormer X, hi cute loves. Hello, Rebel. How are you doing today? Welcome, welcome. What you been up to? And that's 3. May the goddess smile upon you. Good, but not much. You? Also good, also not much. But I'm hanging in there. I'm enjoying my time. I'm feeling cool, you know? Poopies? Oh my god, it happens, Rebel. Yeah. I am very relaxed though right now, which doesn't come often enough. Yeah, I don't care. Good, we love to hear it. No, we love to hear you, Justin. I am so hoping that this week is my week. Because if this week is my week, I'm gonna cry. I'm actually gonna cry. Like, I'm scared that if I do get good news from that job application, I'm not gonna have anyone to hug and cry with. Yeah. By the way, Jacob, thank you so much for gaming earlier. I'm so sorry I've been gone for like the last little bit. I'm just been kind of laying in bed every day, all day, waiting for news on things, and it's not healthy, but like it's just how I'm dealing with things. So we'll hop in a Discord call to celebrate the good news. Oh my god, yes. Thank you. Just need to hope that this is what's possible. I'll be there in spirit. No you, Jiganite. No you. Honestly, no fucking you. I'll be there in spirit, okay? I will actually be spirited away to the point I physically cannot exist. I got this, I got this, I got this. More screws for Koki. Wait, I'm curious. Wait a second, hold up. Can I just like... Can I just... That's crazy. Yeah, I know how to use Cryonis, honestly. I'm cool like that. I love Cryonis. It's so silly. It's so funny. With all the orbs, you can go to the shrine. Finally tell you everything. But first, go to the... Fuck you. Give me the fucking gliders. Stop changing your terms. I shall wait for you there. X marks the spot. Do you understand? The 2 lines connecting the shrines would cross. There, I will be waiting. Okay, dude. Wait there. I don't care. Oh no, my cold resistance is about to run out. Yeah. Da, 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 da. This is the front room of the Temple of Time. Why can't I just go into the back already? Dude. Ugh. I hate the Temple of Time. It's so sad. It makes me depressed. A Boko Club. I do not need that. What I need is a stick for Koki to replace the stick that I lost. Pray. Yeah, I'm praying, dude. Just let me get through this cutscene, bro. I can offer you great power, 4 orbs. I would like a stamina vessel. Yes. Thank you for the stamina vessel. What the fuck does that even look like anyways? I need a chew toy. You just have my tail, right? Not in the mood to find you a chew toy, okay? And you don't count? Fuck. And Dugnate, what am I supposed to get you? What do you even want? You really truly can't find a stick? Yeah? I guess you'll do? Good, honestly. Oh god, do I make this? I literally did not. I know there's a ladder, but like... I'm cooler than ladders. I actually can just like climb up this wall right here, okay? I'm just better. I'm built different. I'm built better. Ladders are so lame, Sabine. Wow, that's crazy.
Well done there, young.
Well done there, young one. Yeah.
To
Yeah.
know Calamity Ganon's true form,
There we
one
go.
must know the story from an age-long past. The Demon King was born into this kingdom, but his transformation into malice created the horror you see now. Stories of Ganon were passed from generation to
Happy.
generation.
Oh yeah, may the fourth be
Form of
with you or
legends
whatever it
and
is.
fairy
I don't know. Levi.
But the
Levi,
truth
welcome. How are you doing? I forgot it was Star Wars Day, and it's also my
Signs of a
birthday.
resurrection of the Calamity
It's because it's my birthday.
and the power to oppose it. Lies dormant
So is tomorrow.
beneath the ground.
True.
We decided to heed the prophet.
Seriously?
And began excavating large areas
No.
of land.
No.
It wasn't
Oh
long
no,
before we
please.
discovered
Okay, wait.
several
Okay.
ancient relics made by the hands of our distant ancestors. These relics, the divine beasts, were giant machines piloted by warriors. We also
Sorry, guys,
found
I need
the
to pull this up
Guardians, an army of
for you
mechanical
guys.
soldiers who fought
I know we're watching a cutscene, but this is important. This is more
Hey
important.
everyone, today is also my birthday, and because it's my birthday, I get to introduce you to my girlfriend, who is amazing!
Hi guys, I'm Brittany.
We also learned
Everyone,
that
today is
princess
also
was
my
secret power.
birthday, and because it's my birthday, I get to introduce you to my girlfriend, who is amazing!
It was they
Today
who
everyone,
sealed
today is
Ganon
also
away
my
using the
birthday,
power of
and
these
because
ancient
it's my
relics.
birthday, I get to introduce you to my girlfriend. Today everyone, today is also my birthday, and because it's my birthday, I get to introduce you to my girlfriend. Everyone, today is also my birthday, and because it's my birthday, I get to introduce you to my girlfriend. One today is also my birthday, and because it's my birthday, I get to introduce you to my girlfriend. Everyone, today is also my birthday.
Marcus, you don't want to do this. Let her go.
My girlfriend.
Girlfriend hostage. Police are outside of his home waiting negotiation terms. Breaking news are outside of his home waiting negotiation terms.
The rest of the champions were on the
So
brink of sealing away
Fucking
Ganon.
much. I hate it so much. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. It's Star Wars Day,
Ganon
everyone.
was cunning, and he responded with a plan.
But it's also my birthday. Braxton's I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Yeah, so So what were we? Wait, what's happening? I forgot what's going on. Where did the Guardians come from, and why'd they get corrupted, and why is everyone like surrounded and dying? They're gonna all die, aren't they?
The champions lost
Oh yeah, everyone's dead. Okay, good.
resided in the castle as well. The appointed knight bravely collapsed while defending the princess. And thus, the kingdom of Hyrule was devastated absolutely by Calamity Ganon.
Understood.
However, the princess survived,
A princess
Face
survived. Let's go.
Ganon alone.
Sorry.
Link, you are our final hope. The
Understood,
fate
Zelda.
of Hyrule
I will
rests
take
with
care of it,
you.
okay? In 100 years, I got this, bro. I got this in 100 years. All right, you can trust me. I'm a professional, okay? This is what
That
professionals
princess
do.
was my own daughter, my dear Zelda. And the courageous knight who protected her right up to the very end. That knight was none other than you, Link.
Link.
You fought valiantly when your fate took an unfortunate
Oh my god, my
turn.
name is literally Link.
And
Guys,
then
look at me. I'm
You were
literally
taken to the
Link.
Shrine of Resurrection. Here you now stand, revitalized 100 years later. The words of guidance you have been hearing since your awakening.
wasn't this guy
are
a
from
boat?
Princess Zelda herself. Even now.
Like, I'm pretty
as
sure this
she
guy was a
works to
boat, right?
restrain Ganon from within Hyrule Castle. She calls out for your help. However, my daughter's power will soon be exhausted. Once that happens, Ganon will freely regenerate himself, and nothing will stop him from consuming our land. Considering
Okay,
that I
so the
could
timing
not
just lined
save
up
my own
perfectly that
kingdom,
when I
have
enter
no
the boss
right to
room, he'll be
ask the
starting to
same
regenerate.
thing.
So I just have to, like, you know, tap him down, defeat him, and then, you
But
know,
I am
move on
powerless
with my
here.
life. Okay, I got
You
it.
must save her, my daughter, and do whatever it takes.
Raxus,
to
how have you been, by
annihilate
the way?
Ganon.
But yeah, Levi, also, can I get a show for Levi? Holy
Somehow,
fuck.
Ganon has maintained control over
Levi, are you
all four
excited
divine
for
beasts,
whatever's
as well
coming
as those
up this
guardians
weekend or
swarming
something?
around Hyrule Castle. I believe it would be quite reckless for you to head directly to the castle at this point.
I'm too excited,
I
man. Let's
suggest
go.
that you make your way east out to one of the villages in the wilderness.
Hi,
Follow the
Volvia.
road out to Kakariko
Howdy, how's it
Village.
going? I'm gonna eat a bit of chocolate from
There
like a
you will
month
find
ago.
the Elder Impa. She will tell you more about the path that lies ahead. Consult
Why-
the map on your Sheikah slate for the precise
Why is it
location
this
of
clip?
Kakariko Village.
What?
Make your way past the
What are we
three
talking
summits
about?
of the
Why am
Demon
I talking in
Peaks.
this clip?
From there,
This
follow
is
the
Levi's
road as it
channel.
proceeds north.
Why are we talking about the communal litter box? It got in 4K, literally, honestly. Well, yeah, people need to piss in the litter box. They don't piss on each other, alright? That's important, alright? That's very important. Go on. Here's the paraglider. Just as I promised. Okay. Bum, 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 bum. Alright, what's the fastest way to get to every shrine? We're speedrunning shrines, guys, alright? Where the fuck are all the shrines? Told you everything I can, yeah, so on and so forth. Link, you must save. I must save. Guys, I should save. I should save my game. Ew, gross. I just noticed that yellow bitch is here. Sorry, I didn't. I'm not supposed to look over there, but I just did because I have it open. There's a yellow bitch that if they wanted to hang out, I would stop stream. Okay, this is awful with the sound suppression. Let me figure out what to do with the noise suppression. This sounds so bad. Oh my god. Okay, how am I gonna fix this? Okay, we're gonna go to filters. We're gonna turn that off. Maybe that's not how I should do it. The fact that there's like this ambient noise in the background is so sad. And I don't know what I'm supposed to do about that. This is fine. This is fine. Thanks for the stream. I'm off for the night. See you next time. Phoenix, thank you very much for the lore. I really appreciate it. You hang in there and enjoy yourself, alright? So I think like the major thing here is I want to grab as much stamina as possible. And then I guess from there, get whatever health I need to get the Master Sword. And then we'll be good from there. I think that'll make sense. And worst comes to worst, I'll just like reallocate my stamina so I can get the Master Sword, then swap it back to stamina later. Oh my god, this is such a silly little game. I love it. I do want to somehow get to Hateno Village. I know how to get a lot of rupees pretty fast in this game. It's a bit of a process, but at the same time, like, it's definitely worth it. Wait, where was the tower I saw? It's a fox! I love foxes! Oh my god, look! Ooh. Vroom, 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 vroom. I love him so much. Look at him. What's this sound in here? Why is there like a beeping sound up here? I don't like you. I literally don't know where this is. I like most foxes. Oh. Oh, I see. Interesting, Duganite. I wonder what those other foxes are like. Ones that you don't like. What makes a good fox to you? Like, what makes a fox that you like? Duganite? Because I too am a fox enjoyer, okay? But like, there's certain foxes that stink. Absolutely. And are disgusting, and so on and so forth. We got a fox? Yes, Yeti! It was a fox! I love foxes! I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm literally not doing any Karuxi things. I do not need to. Hashtag Fox Gang. Yes, Yeti. That's so true. Yeti, what species are you again? I can't even remember. I'm literally like, you're literally just a humble Yeti bro to me, you know? Alright, how am I gonna get over here? This one I need to fly to from across the way, I think I remember. Yeah, I'll try and hit it from that hill over there. Yeti, also fox enthusiast. Let's go. We love fox enthusiasts. Enthusiasm. Enthusiasm, am I right? What? I'm literally doing a Korok thing by accident, and I absolutely am pissed. Like, this sucks. It's not even by accident. I need to get over here anyways to get to the tower, but, like, now I'm getting a piece of fucking shit. Like, bro. Get away from me. Like, is there anything useful to even get the Korok seeds for? Like, no, there definitely isn't. I'm pretty sure. I can't wait for the point when I don't have to run out of energy every time I try and climb a tower. That point in the game is actually going to be so fun. Up, 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 diagonal. Nope. Yeah, good job, Link. And let's examine this. Get our little tablet in here and everything. So, I think the big thing I want to try and get done today is just get 4 shrines done. If I can get 4 shrines done, I'm pretty chilly. I don't necessarily know where the shrines are, but that's against the point. Good night, Volpe. Good night, Sabine. Rest well, okay? I hope that tomorrow goes very, very okay. And if not very okay, better than that. Mm-hmm. Da-da-da-dum. Or maybe I'll just get a few towers. I could just get a bunch of towers, honestly. Sheikah sensor. The sensor reacts when you're close to shrines that have not yet been visited. Oh, excellent. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba-ba-da. Sensor's been placed near the mini-map. Shrines by... There's a shrine nearby? Where the hell is the fucking shrine? I'm on top of the hill or something. Not gonna do the speedrun with the wooden spoon? There's a wooden spoon speedrun in this game? It's actually insane. It's probably inside that, like, skull, isn't it? I'm not worried. I'm gonna head back up here to Kainamut Shrine. And we're gonna head out the west side of the plateau and just see if I can find another tower. I want to try and get the tower that's next to the heated area, but I need to do that at night when it's cold. Yeah. You guys optimistic? Still got deadline, we're screwed. The customers showing up for us to teach them how to software. Oh no. Oh no, that's rough. That's super rough. That tower right there is what I want. Yeah, I don't think I'm able to do that. I don't think I have enough cold resistance yet. Or hot resistance, sorry, heat resistance. try and get that shrine down there. That looks kind of cool. I sleep now. Have a good rest, Sabine. Don't beat the game like going straight to Ganon and beat him entirely with a wooden spoon. No joke. How did it have that much durability? That's crazy. Dekazo Shrine. Yo, Dekazo is kind of true. Alright. Yeah. Have y'all had a good weekend, by the way, so far? I mean, like, I know it's the end of the weekend for everyone, pretty much, or even, like, the start of the weekdays now for everyone else, but did you guys, like, make the most of it? Because I myself, I don't know if I made the most of it, but I like to hope, you know? Just gonna like eat some food or something. Surely that's enough. And let me equip a stronger weapon like a claymore. Let me just like eat this, this, and then we're gonna grab like my weapon. And I just need a different weapon. Let's use this pitchfork. This is fine. I have healthy staying closer with an asterisk. That's so base. Wait. Ugh. it's charging up too long. My god. All right, let me fix this up. Let me figure this out. I'll fight him properly now that I know how to fight him, you know? I can just like swap to a good weapon from the start, you know, run in here. I'll start with the pitchfork, all right? There we go. Hello, friend. I would like your beer, thank you. Bruh, can I like not attack with the same buttons that I attack with on other games? Thank you. Up. Up. Bruh, I'm trying to jump in the air, dude. Like, can I not get my height because it's like, you know, windy or something? Like, that's crazy. Oh my gosh. I literally cannot. And for some reason I can't get my perfect timing dodges out, and that's like my bad, but at the same time, like, I just need to be better. Be closer. I'll use my Traveler's Spear now. Okay, that's fine. Whatever. No, Chopsy's official. Furry? That's kind of cringe. I would never be a furry, honestly. Furries are fucking weird or something, honestly. Yeah, something like that, honestly. This is your first time chatting, though. Welcome, welcome. I'm Volpe, and we're here having a chill old time today, staying wholesome with an ass. It's a risk. Thank you so much for popping by. How are you doing today? Oh. Ancient core. Fuck yeah. Ba-da-bum. Ba-da-dum-bum. Alright. But I think I'm fine still wearing my shorts on this, honestly. I don't think I need to put anything on there. May the goddess smile upon... Yeah, they better be smiling already, dude. Like, I'm just better, okay? I'm built like that. Trust me. Oh, there's like a boat here. Can I like break these? Okay, well let me pull up my Korok leaf. Come on. Give me my boat. Here we go. Nice. And I'll just go wherever the water takes me, which doesn't seem to be anywhere right now. This Korok leaf is very effective, honestly. I do like the momentum I'm getting out of this. I'm worried that's gonna break soon. And I don't know how or what it's like for a leaf to break in this, but you know, we'll be fine. I'm gonna see if I can find a ledge on this cliff to catch onto and just walk up as I'm walking up here. Because I think I can probably get up this left side. It doesn't look too bad, the cliff. Why is the ship so fast now when it wasn't before? It seems like this side might be easy to go up, but at the same time, I'm not... I feel like it might be just a bit too slippery, you know? What is dude talking about? Bro here thinking that I banned them, dude? That's crazy. Oh no, I have a VPN. Don't fuck with me, bro. You got my Twitch terminated? Dude, how? Dude's raging. Holy shit, bro. I'm so threatened, dude. Like, oh my god, bro. He's got a fucking VPN. Guys, run. Hurry. Holy shit, dude. I think I can run here. Ouch. That is rough. I think I'm dead. Oh no, bro. Honestly, Twink Powder, a bit of a skill issue, not gonna lie. Yeah, honestly, Twink Powder 1738, my dude. I'm so sorry, honestly. But no sympathy from here, honestly. You know, skill issue. It's a complete skill issue. I'm not even a furry, to be honest, so... Yeah, it's a bit of a bad look on you, honestly. What do you think? Find your location, furry? My location is not that hard to find. Pull it up. Pull up in India, furry? Bruh, you're literally skill issuing even harder right now. Yep, fucked. I think I'm gonna go for this tower over here next. Don't fuck with me. Don't fuck with me, bro. That's even more embarrassing on your part, honestly. 90% of your shit coins are worthless anyways, to be fair, so... And what can you do? Try your hardest, but, there you go. No, they aren't, bro? Dude, what coins do you even have? Blockchain AI is the new car industry. Bro, what are you on? I was in software development for blockchain shit, and that went down the waste bin. Like, that's been dead for 2 years. Like, what is going on, bro? Everything left over is just shilling some random shit to people who are, like, you know, stupid enough to buy something that's worthless. Oh no, Twink Pounder 1738 has a VPN and owns Bitcoin. Oh no, what am I gonna do? Investing at 0 years old? Shit, bro. Honestly, you know, I was investing at actually -5 years old. Sorry, I started a bit sooner than you. Honestly, I started investing before you were even born, to be fair. Get your underage ass out of my chat, dude. Castrell's crazy. Yeah, how am I gonna do this? Don't fuck with me, bro, honestly. Literal skill issue on your front. Don't tell me with a good time? Shit, bro, he's going violent. Yeah, that's kind of hot, honestly. Yo, hit me with that gay shit, honestly. I'd really appreciate that. Hit me with your stubby arms, so true. I hate... These guys are all trying to get angles on me, holy shit. I'm getting angry! Oh, guys, watch out, the Hulk's here, dude. I don't want to fuck with the Hulk, bro. Five-star hotel, I'm classy. Oh my god, Castrell, you want to get violent at a 5-star hotel? That's kind of cool. Dude, bro. Bro is an... Does this dude want to get their, like, their account, like, their, what is this? Second time getting banned. Do you want to get your third account banned right now for being, like, what's it called? Religiously insensitive? Oh my god. Is this your 50th account on Twitch? Yeah, I think you might be, missing the point on this, honestly. This Twitch thing's meant to be, like, enjoyable, you know? Hello, Foxworth, how are you? Is this the furry's fault, bro? Dude, you play 70 alternative over comments. Bro's gonna pull up the twit longer and actually be, like, crazy or something. Like, I'm so ready for the twit longer to come out here. Yeah, I do. Oh my god, bro's literally Eggman. I hate this. I got a VPN 37 emails. Why do you need 37 emails when you can do the same thing with the same email? Just add extensions to your email, bro. Like, excuse me, you think you're smart, dude? That's insane. Dude's in high school and still peaked in middle school, bro. Twink Powder, what the fuck are you gonna do about it, dude? It's gonna be funny. Based on email build, so true, Foxworth. Oh my god, so true. Yeah, this one's gonna have some mental illness. True. Oh my god. Yeah. 1 second. Let me just like open up. Can't create 8 minutes ago. Let me just like open up Twitch real quick and just like, you know, I'm pretty sure Twitch will instantly terminate this account if I just bring up the Do it, Furball? Yeah, base. I mean, I have power as a partner, okay? Yeah, let me just go here. And we're just gonna report. Yeah, hateful conduct is fine. Oh, should I do? Yeah, I think that's fine, honestly. Yeah, just pull up your next account, dude, on your next Gmail. Make a new Gmail for a new account, right? Right here. Insensitive. And, to... It's the Muslim faith, right? Yeah. Please don't all be your dog, please. Also, threatening violence and telling me not to them. They also sound super underage. Submit report. Awesome. All right. Swing Pounder, come back on another account. Good luck. Have fun. Yeah, bro. Honestly, it was a good run. They tried their hardest, honestly. Sorry, I let that go on a bit too long. I'm sorry for anyone who's been uncomfortable by that. But, you know, they were pretty chill, you know. Bro saying that fucking blockchain is the next thing. Dude is living in fucking 2019, dude. Oh my god. I can't. This is fucking 2025, bro. Dude knows how to, like, put a fucking meme coin up for, like, some sort of rug pull scam or some shit. I think that's, like, all they probably know how to do. Like, I think they don't understand how blockchain development works, because that shit is literally so cringe. I want to see if they're gonna go with the blockchain AI. Dude, I don't know, honestly. They're just crazy, to be fair. I mean, listen, okay? Like, I've got experience in that shit, so, like, I understand that it's dead field, okay? Literally dead field. There's a reason why I don't have a lot of relevant experience in industry these days. Can't wait till Twink Pounder shows up in a couple... 1739! Dude, that was their 1,738th account, dude. That's crazy. Like, I'm used to people, like, coming in for those types of rage bait things as, like, a team, like a tag team. But this guy, like, came solo. And the only thing I can infer from that is that they themselves don't have any of those... guys, what's the word called? I'm not going to be, like, insensitive, but, like, you know, you know the word I'm talking about. I'm not going to say because I would be, like, super insensitive and probably break TOS, but, like, you know, you guys all know exactly what word I'm talking about. Trying to get to that bridge over there, so I'm just going to swim through here. Are these Octorocks? Bruh. I'm clueless as an orange cat? Okay, that's fair, you know. You know, you're actually so viable, to be fair. Like, orange cat brain cell moment. It's gonna be a few years before it's your turn to use that brain cell, so, like, you're fine. I get it, I understand. I'm gonna try and get a shrine as close to the snow area done as possible. That way, I don't have to worry about it. Better come soon. I got finals in a week, dude. That's so real, honestly. Nah, you're gonna do well. Finals easy. Honestly, cats are better at finals because they know how to cozy up in an exam room and feel very, very comfortable. You know, sometimes they do a little bit of purring as well. So, like, yeah, it's more important to feel comfortable doing an exam than do well in the exam, I think. You know what I mean? You probably get it. Da, 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 da. By the way, guys, did you know, based on what Twink Powder 1738 said, I'm actually composed of, what was it, 70,000 furries? Oh my god, go throw the chairs and remember if I pull up on a couch, I probably ace it. Honestly, dude. If I could pull up into an exam room in my bed, oh my god, absolutely insane. Oh, hi, Kaz. Did not hear your approach. I was lost in this song, written by my late teacher. He passed away several years ago, you see. And this was the last song he taught me. That there on your hip. No, I'm sorry, it's nothing. I didn't mean to pry. No worries. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Cass. I'm a bard traveling this land in search of ancient songs. Have you heard of ancient songs of Hyrule? Ancient songs? Ancient songs! Songs that sing the praises of a hero who beat back the calamity in an age past. I know a song about this place. Would you like to hear this ancient verse passed down in this region? Let's hear it.
Oh.
Excellent! Without further ado. When a single arrow threads to ring, birds on wings. Do you remember the ring song defer from the oddly shaped rocks? That's what the name of the shrine is. There's a mystery to be uncovered here, that's for sure. And I get the feeling the truth is beyond my wildest imagination. May the light illuminate your path. Must be a top to a streamer on God. Oh my god. So, I don't have a bow. Do you think I can use a spear or something to shoot through these? I think it's these two over here. I think I can like hit an arrow through both these right here. I don't even know what this means, Duganite. I thought you were trying to, like, provide me an additional form to merge with. Or something. Surely that's what you meant, right? Wait, where was the tower I was looking at? Is that it? Oh yeah, that's the tower. That's the one I want. I think before I speak things, I just say things and regret them 4 seconds later. I think it was like 5 seconds to ignite. Maybe you should regret that as well. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. That's a bit crass. What? It's okay, you can feed me. That's fair, Digonite. That's fair. That's understandable. I just died. What? How the fuck did he one-shot me, dude? I know I have 3 hearts, but like I thought... Oh my god. What the fuck? Spiked Boko Club 12. Oh my god. Dude, who was that? Okay, I admit your help. I didn't need it. So don't expect any thanks, but you can have this if you want. Oh my god, thank you for the monster extract. You're probably wondering what that stuff is. It's called monster extract, actually. A guy named Kilton brews out the stuff over the Fang and Bone. It's kind of like a flavoring that makes any food taste amazing. I know it's made of monsters, but it's good stuff. There's some weird stories going around that Kilton character, he's obsessed with monsters. They say he does all kinds of hair-raising research with them, and came up with a bunch of strange stuff as a result. I wanted to kind of meet him at least once to see if he's like the rumors are true, and he's like a hard guy to track down. So like, one source I trust says he's often found in a skull-shaped lake in the Kala, but I don't really know the place. So yeah, I'm not gonna help you. I'm not gonna thank you, but like, get fucked, okay? Have fun with your monster juice, all right? Reliable. Goodbye. I think that kind of fit them, you know, like that person kind of like felt like they were one of those like really rambly teens who just kind of like says words over and over and over again. Yo, what's that thing that gym bros call each other? Like big man or something or some shit like that? Gosh, I'm going blank on that, what it is, and I'm trying to remember so badly. Big man, I don't know. We get in this Rangeland Tower, bro. I do not want to deal with Cross, or like lightning and water. That shit stink AF, honestly. Stinky AF. Got an email from Twitch. Drink Power has been suspended from Twitch. Oh my god. Bro. Who's gonna pound all the twinks now? That's what I'm saying, dude. This is so sad. Yo, everyone. Yo. Pour a little bit out for Twink Pounder. Oh. Let me come back. I was hoping as well, but I think they're probably just like busy with other people. You know, they already tried with us, so like, you know. This isn't magnetic, huh? Interesting. Or not magnetic, but like, conductive. My bad. But Foxworth, how are you doing? How have you been, nerd? Okay, I literally cannot jump up here in the rain. What the? Hi, Foxworth. How have you been? How have you been doing, dummy? By the way, Castrail, by the way. This was, when you were ridiculing him as well. That was your first time chatting. Welcome, welcome. How have you been doing? Oh my god, I was literally so focused on that, I literally forgot to introduce myself or something. Welcome. I'm Volpe, and, we're dumb and silly and stuff here or something. Been good, just being a little guy. You really are a little guy. I wish I had the little guy energy like you do. What's this tower? Number 3 or 4? This is 3? This is technically 4, but it's 3 in terms of my count. Imagine being a little guy. Couldn't possibly be you, Digonite. You're a little brat. Or something. Maybe a rascal, who knows. Straight through Twitch, you popped up and was hopping in chat. Thought you'd get some chatter up. Oh yeah, that's completely real, honestly. Well, I hope you're enjoying your time here, you know. It's all super mellow, super chilly. I'm just doing a bit of an experimental stream, trying to like see if my Switch will work well with doing stream stuff like this. Oh god, my arm. Ow. That's fucked up. My arm hurts. I did so much exercise yesterday. Yeah, thank you so much for the follow. Glad you popped by. Well, I met you before in Levi's server too. Oh, really? Oh my god. And I'm just a dummy, to be fair. That's insane. I mean, in all honesty, you know, we both know that I'm not real, so like, you know, we're good. Mm-hmm. You okay? Oh yeah, it happens. Seems quite high up. If only I were Birdman. Boo! Bro, come on. Dude. It was so easy. You could have just jumped off. There's water down there. Like, you'll survive, alright? Though I suppose you can call me, you can ask me the same question. You see, I haven't dedicated my life to the study of birdmen. Their flight mechanics fascinate me. Given their weight, it should be physically impossible for them to fly with the wings of their fucking B-movie. According to all known laws of aviation, there is no way a bee should be able to fly. Their wings are too small to get their stubby body off the ground. The bee, however, flies anyway because it doesn't care what nature thinks. Yellow, black, yellow, black, yellow, black, black and yellow. Let's spice it. Wait, is it change it up a little? Let's change it up a little. Barry, breakfast is ready. Coming. I'm sorry. Let me pull up the B-movie script. I need to make sure I got that right. If I didn't, that would be depressing to me. Let me see. Okay. According to all known laws of aviation, there should be no way a bee should be able to fly. Its wings are too small to get its fat little body. It's not stubby little body. It's fat little body off the ground. The bee, of course, flies anyway because bees don't care what humans think is impossible. Oh, it's humans think. Okay. Yellow, black, yellow, black, yellow, black, yellow, black. Ooh, black and yellow. Let's shake it up. Let's shake it up. Okay. Berry, breakfast ready. Yep, got it. Coming. Hang on a second. Okay. I got it. I got that. Why the fuck do I know bee movie shit? Like, what the hell? That's gross. I was standing on the ground watching the skies when suddenly this tower erupted beneath my feet. I've been stuck up here with no way to get down. But my misfortune is a blessing in disguise. You see, this tower is a perfect place to observe birdmen in their natural habitat. Where? Oh, now that you've climbed up here, how do we get down without falling? I suppose you're stuck up here. I'll just fly down. What? You can fly? You can fly like a birdman? Is that true? I thought it was impossible for Hylian to fly like a birdman. It's more like gliding then. I'm still a step in the right direction. If I can analyze your glide distance and trajectory, it may help us understand the science of birdman flight. And maybe one day I can realize my dream of becoming a bird. Would you mind participating in a short research study? I want to see how far you can glide. You'll be compensated for your time and travel, depending on how far you can fly. So how about it? I'll glide for you. Marvelous. Our finds today may prove to be the cornerstone of Birdman's research for generations to come. However, you are merely gliding, not flying, making this a rather dangerous research project. As such, a liability fee of 20 rupees will be necessary to... I don't have 20 rupees. You don't have 20 rupees? Well, I can't really participate in the study without paying the liability fee. Please come back when you found it. It's attached to the brain rot, I guess, but still, like, that's so toxic. That's some drift? No, that was just disconnecting from for a second. Okay. It's this section up here I want to get to, though. Can I make it? It's a trap. He wants you to jump off the tower so he can loot you. I don't think he can get off the tower. I think he's stuck up there. I mean, he hasn't seen the B-movie script. Or he hasn't seen the B-movie script. He hasn't seen the B-movie. So he doesn't understand that these are winter boots. Sorry, I really should not be talking about the B-movie right now. I really should not be talking about the B-movie right now, but... B! You're flying out of the hive, fraternizing with humans? It's not natural. Me escaping the Bokoblins by just jumping off their mountain top. I'm actually cool like that. Not Bokoblins. Moblins? I don't know what they're called, like the skeleton ones. Problins? Floblins. Foxworth, would you like me to jump off the tower so you can loot my, you know, whatever I've got on my body, whatever assets I have. Wham, wham. Wham, wham. Wham, wham. It's a BTT remote. That's the entire B movie. Wait, there is? What, did they just like shorten it to like a very few set of frames or something? Oh my god. I'm so happy. BTTV. It's B! To be fair, it's nothing like really terrible Beamers or Foxworth B or Vault B. Alright, I think it's my time to get to bed. Alright, I'm gonna finish the shrine and end off here as well then. Because that seems like a reasonable time for me to go to bed as well. Drawing parabolas? Oh no. We'll talk soon. Hell yes. A good night, of course. Hang in there and enjoy yourself at the con. I hope you have an amazing time, Justin. And I hope you, like, beat people up and stuff. And, you know, be an absolute Slayster. Did see a lot of my shenanigans? Hell yes. I'm so happy. I love seeing Justin shenanigans. This just in. Am I right? Oh. Okay. Well. I mean, I think I can just run past this. Oh, but I need to get the circle in the thing. Okay. That makes sense. Let me just, like, see if I can push this aside. I really can't, but I think I might be able to just throw the orb in. Wait, hold up. Wait a second here. I'm about to draw a parabola of my own, honestly. Watch this. Okay, I cannot throw that high. That's fair. That's reasonable. That's understandable. If I stand here, will it launch me all the way? No, it won't. Okay. So it's got, like, momentum problems. Let me just make sure this is pointing the right direction. Ba-da-dum. A Thunderblade? Yo! Holy shit. I love thunder. We're going to Wednesday night, that's full party mode. Let's go. There we go. Successful Orpulon. Brilliant. And this will be the last shrine I collect today, and then we'll fucking, I don't know, raid Static or some shit. Foxworth, oh my god. By the way, Foxworth, how's your morning going? I literally don't know what time it is. It's like, what, 5 a.m. or some shit, almost? Spirit Orb, a symbol of courage given to those who... Yeah. Just feel like that. Raid this pants grab. Please. Boxing go for passing out for 12 hours? What's happening in after 12 hours or something? Is that just like how long you've been sleeping recently, Foxworth? Oh my gosh. Oh, and there's a horse stable, I think. And then I suppose this is the zone over here, and that's a different zone over there. Okay, cool. So I should be able to climb up the hill from that part right there, and then head up there. I just don't know how cold it's going to be. It's going to be super cold, so I'm going to have to wear some extra layers, I think. And by wear some extra layers, you know. An EP boy, that's so real. That's so phase. Oh my god. Eat with me, Foxworth, respectfully. Keep me warm, it's cold. And there we go. Excellent. I have the DLC, right? I don't think I have the DLC. My audio is offset. Hold up. Why is there so much delay? I'll figure that out. That's fine. It's whatevs. We will go to the title screen though. And from the title screen, we are going to close the game. And then from the game close, we're going to go beat up Static or something. I don't know. There we go. Excellent. I'm glad this worked out, honestly. I'm feeling very mindful right now, you know? And I think it's been very nice seeing things work out with this stream style. Spaceman, got a rocket on my back. The universe is down for my rave attack. Foxworth, thank you very much for coming by. And Justin, Duke, and I, and all y'all nerds, Stella as well. I really appreciate y'all for popping by and enjoying yourselves and stuff. Should I put on Tate McRae or Olivia Rodrigo for my end stream? World with a small wrist and a perfect smile. Body's out to pay in dad's new car. All right, let me find the raid target here. So we're going to probably do Static, I think, because that makes a lot of sense to me. By the way, how are you guys liking this base pose for my model? Is it okay? Is it fine? Close your eyes, my own. I'm in the cloud. Stupid boy making me so sad. Didn't think you could change his mind. Yeah. Don't have the base pose. Oh, the hands crossed? Yes, hands crossed. And just kind of chilling, you know? I don't want to be bad. Like, I could just pull this out, you know, zoom out here. Yeah, it's kind of cool. It's cute. Gonna have to get used to it. Oh my god, wow, that's so crazy. Fire music's so real. Thank you, Castrell. God. House. By then, I'll just be someone you've forgotten about. Oh, what you say? Very quaint pose. That's so based. All right, let's see what Static's up to here. Out loud, stupid boy. Everything that I don't have. Transform, reset, transformation. Everything that I don't have. I don't wanna be so sad. They're in VR chat doing end of week relaxation. That's kind of gay, honestly, because like I was doing that or something, probably. Let's just like copy that and just go like not send in their chat and let's just raid. But again, everyone, thank you all so much for coming by. I'm sorry that was like a bit like low energy stream. Again, it's expected, I guess, because I'm doing a new thing and I'm trying to get the Legend of Zelda music. But I forgot that Breath of the Wild doesn't have much music in it. It's just beautiful music, but it doesn't come up often. It's so sad and it's disappointing and it's. But for now, we are going to be heading over to Static. Thank you all so much for coming by. I really appreciate everyone for being here. enjoy yourselves, and have an awesome, awesome time. Hang in there, y'all. Ciao, ciao, everyone. I don't want to be.
Bad.